Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you how to make your own data pack in Minecraft. So why use data packs instead of commands? Well, this is because data packs are more efficient than command blocks. They can do more things than command blocks like making loot tables, custom crafting recipes, and predicates, and you can avoid your world getting corrupted or unplayable by command block errors. So, for example, say you had too many command blocks and it was lagging your world out, it could corrupt your world. And if you had a command block that made your world unplayable, like say you had a command block that killed all players constantly, then your world is basically gone. Whereas with a data pack, you can just disable the data pack and then fix whatever command block is causing that, and your world will be back to normal. What you're going to want to do first to make your data pack is go into the world that you want to make it in, hit edit, and then hit open world folder. Next, you're going to open up your data packs folder and you're going to create a new folder. This is going to contain everything inside of your data pack, and it doesn't really matter what you name it because nothing in your data pack will actually refer to this folder's name. So let's just name it data pack, and we're going to go inside of it and create two new files. So one of them will be a folder and we'll name this data, and the other one will be a text document which will change the file name and the file type to pack.mcmeta. So we're going to open this up, and inside I'm going to paste this. So everything that needs to be pasted will be in the video description, and I actually got this from my space block map data pack, so I can change the description to anything I'd like. This is basically a description of your data pack, so I'll change this to video tutorial pack, and the pack format has to be 1. We're going to save this. And inside our data folder, we are going to create two new folders. So one of them is going to be your data pack name. So let's name this video pack. And make sure there's no spaces in the name. And we're going to create another folder named Minecraft. And now inside the Minecraft folder, what we're going to do is we'll create a new folder, name it tags. Inside that folder, we're going to create another folder, which is going to be functions. And we'll create two new files. One will be named load.json, and the other will be named tick.json. Inside the load function, you're going to paste this, which will also be in the video description. And before this colon right here, you're going to put what you named this folder right here, which I named it video pack. So I'm just going to type video pack. And for the tick function, you'll do the same thing, but change this to video pack colon tick. And the last thing that you're going to do is go into your folder with whatever you named your data pack, and you'll add a new file, and we'll name it functions. And we're going to add two files. One will be called tick.mcfunction, and the other will be called load.mcfunction. So if we open these up, now this is where we're going to type in the commands that you type in a command block. What the tick.mcfunction does is it will run every tick, so it's like a repeating command block. And the load.mcfunction will run whenever the data pack is loaded. So this can be done using the /reload command, or it can also be done when the world is first loaded. So if I type, for example, say loaded in the tick.mcfunction file, and I go back into my world, it's going to be Datapack, as you can see, it's now saying loaded every tick. Now if I delete this and I go to my load.mcfunction and I say loaded in this function, and I clear the chat, do /reload. As you can see, every time I do /reload, it will display the message. So what you can also do is you can create more functions by just if I go to my functions file, I do new text document, and let's call this say.mcfunction. I'll open up, I'll put say I am a function, and then how I'd run this function is I type function, and then I would do the data pack name, which is video pack, colon, and then the function name. And you can also put multiple commands per function. So I can do teleport at a 0, 100, 0. So now if I do /reload, as you can see, that function will now run. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys next time.